Man, I got 10% battery power. What to do? When it runs dry, it runs dry. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So, yeah, I was going to take the Sony HX9V with me out, but I took the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 instead. Let's ride on down, go check out the sunken boat. Got no treasure in it. All right, let's get going. Now I'm over here and I can see that nothing's done. The boat's still in the water. So let's check it out. All right, they corrected the thing that goes around. They close it off so you can't go in to take any photos, videos. So I'm going to stay behind here. It's still the same shot. I had a shot on the side, but I don't have a shot in the front. Well, you can smell the diesel fuel. Woo, man, you can smell it. Let me get on going, get on riding, get on to where I need to be at. Let's get going. Fill up day again. So get around, get on going. I keep saying get on going. Well, let's see what accomplishments were happening. Here we are. Did they cement the sidewalk? They sure did. Put a new sidewalk in. Nice indeed. Well, by the sailboats that are abandoned and sunk, we got some lights. Maybe I'll make it down there before they go away. Before these lights go away. That's enough bait for everyone on the bridge. Here I am. And the lights are going away. I just missed it. I got like very little power left. I'm not sure what's happening over there. Just parked in the middle of the route, in the middle of the street, and shining towards the entrance of the door. The entrance of the door that I said. I want to come back over here and show you how nicely property's lit. I like it lit. I'm not sure if I got the whole thing the way I wanted, but it was smooth as I went by. I like these lights as well. Ah, the lights are on. Yeah. I just ran over broken glass. I'm heading over to the boardwalk. I took the long way around. I may not go all the way, but I get to where I need to be at. An awesome place. They put out giant teddy bears. Not today. The pizzeria, no more. Now it's going to be the B&G Pizzeria. Well, I made it, but the DJI mic did not make it. The last scene, it gave out. Let's see, let's go down to the water's edge. Get on riding down. It's nice and quiet over here. I'm not going to go down to the end. I think I made it where I need to be made at. Now we got a guy, he's doing blue claw crabbing with a light and net. Do I see a person out there, or do I see just a buoy saying that's the furthest you can go? This is not easy to pedal on. This cushion, and it's just hard. Not meaning hard to ride on, just hard to pedal on. So the wind is kicking as well. It's fighting me against the wind. So as we ride along, you're gonna know what I'm gonna say. I got a cable over there, but I doubt one of these has a power bank hookup. So I put the mic away. I think I'm gonna detour. I'm gonna head off the boardwalk in a few. Alright, the next available exit that is not steps going down like the one before. The one over here. I'll be rolling down. Let's get on down. I didn't say let's keep going. I said get on down. Roll down the ramp. And don't hit the chair. Oh, which one do you go for? Do you hit the chair or the box? Oh, I crushed the box. Oh man, just don't make this wide enough for me to make a turn. Single-handedly, it's not easy. What's that car we call the Excalibur? Remember that car, how old it is and fancy it looks? One is in here. Haven't seen it around in a while. Where have the people gone? So I figure I'd show you underneath the trestle, the train, the look. Let's take a picture because you're gonna want to see. Not even a sports car. Does the video look different than the picture? I'm on deep walk and it seems to be wider. So as I ride along from the beginning, we'll see what type of stores and what we see, who's on, and get on going. Brick oven bread. Oh man, that must be delicious. You got your local library. Yes indeed. You got your food stores, your shopping, all different languages, veggie stores, candy, grocery, and more. Main entrance to some food, the stores. German dinner kebab. Pharmacies all over, one after the other. Banks. And even across the street, you got different places. Need an exercise machine? Need a dress? You need an agency? How about a tour? How about a ride on the subway? Well, not everything's open now, but some stores are open and making stuff. Alright, we're at the end and we're out. Now I'm gonna ride on back. Get on going. Lights in the distance, the movie theater, a net course, and that is a grocery store. Here we are at the entrance. Open up. You get to see what it looks like. Lit up. The doors are closed, can't get into the park. It opens up a little later. Across the way is a nut house. I used to go there and get some nuts. I don't have to. I just have to stand right outside. And of course, because I wanted to see the ocean. Now the ocean. This is supposed to be a bankrupt car. It's a pretty cool car if asked. And on the roof, it's got solar panels. It's all electric. I really do like it. Now, is this car, gonna be around? And this is an Uber. They stopped by the house before. The Fisker. Man. They came into business and they went out of business. And now they're all over. You get to see them. It's not an expensive, not a bad looking car. It looks better than some of the cars I see out there on the market. They did the road. No more rocky. Nice and smooth. I can get where I need to be going. So we're going to end the video. switch on over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and polish this up with the sunrise. And finish my vlog off with a wonderful shot indeed. Once the minute's gone, so is that sunrise. Have a great day. As soon as the work is over, and we all walk and go over, I respect and go down the ramp. Why have a camera and not film? Get the job done and show it all. Share it all. It's a never-ending story. Have a great day, and I'm Fish. Here I am. Wait right here. Wait for that sun to pop on up. Right over the buildings, which we call, is it Lundy's, the famous? It sure looks like so. I take a shot, yes indeed, and that's what I did in sharing you with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I take a shot with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. If you just take a look at the sunrise, the definitions of the cloud in the shot. Oh man, the color and all. Time to put you away Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and get the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro out.